Welcome to How to 360's Kitchen Creations. Today we're making classic crispy brandy snaps, perfect for dessert or a sweet snack. For these snaps you'll need 60 grams of melted unsalted butter, 60 grams of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 2 tablespoons of brandy, though you can substitute with milk or vanilla extract if you prefer, 60 grams of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of ground ginger for that warming spice. Step 1. Combine the melted butter, sugar and golden syrup in a mixing bowl until the sugar begins to dissolve. Next, stir in the brandy until fully incorporated. Sift in the flour and ground ginger to avoid any lumps, then gently fold the mixture until it's smooth and glossy. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit. Drop teaspoonfuls of batter onto parchment paper, forming 6 to 8 centimeter circles. Leave about 5 centimeters between each as they'll spread. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges turn a rich golden brown. Keep a close eye. They go from perfect to overdone in seconds. As soon as they come out of the oven, work quickly. Scoop under each snap with a spoon and drape it over a rolling pin or bottle neck to form the classic tube shape. Once cooled, serve your brandy snaps plain or fill them with lightly sweetened whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra special treat. You'll love that satisfying crack and delicate lace pattern. Truly elegant and irresistible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more sweet treats. See you next time. Check out these other dessert recipes.